Welcome to the channel. I'm ShadowScoutSwede. Today I'm going to show you guys an item I brought back home from Gothenburg, and it's in this box. But before we get into this box, we will be back after this message. Welcome back, guys. Let's get into this video, shall we? Here is the box, and what do I have in this one? Well, let's open it and see what I got. And I can tell you, this is pretty heavy. And the reason is it's made of metal. So, here is the item. What do you guys think this is? Well, I'll let you know. This is actually a drill grinding attachment. That means you put your drill in here and probably put it through here, so you can adjust the angle on, it depends on the drill and the angle on the edges on the drill itself. So you can adjust it here. You have a nice little screw here, and you put the drill in the middle here. You loosen this screw here, lift this up, and then you put it back and screw it tight, I believe. And this one I bought when I was a teenager, and I had this for years, never used it, and I will show you guys how it will look like. So I put that away. So here you have a picture on how it will look like. You have the bench grinding machine here, and you put this attachment on the side, and you sharpen the drill on the side of this grinding stone. And it comes actually with a manual. And I want to point out the drill it can sharpen is 1/8 to 3/4 of an inch, which means 3 millimeter to 19 millimeter in diameter drills. So that is really good. And here you have the manual for it, which is nice. Drill grinding attachment. And you have drill size equivalency data. It's a huge table. With different dimensions and things like that. This is old, actually. Operating instructions. It's all on English. So it mentions point angle, overhang, usage. I will not go through the whole manual because it's too much information. And it has mounting the attachment. They suggest a wing nut here. Yeah, And here you have tension screws, angle adjustments, lip rest, and well, I had this for years, as I said, and this is a good tool to have when you need to sharpen your drills. But the problem is I had a bench grinding machine, but I don't know where it is. My brother probably threw it away at some point, which is sad, so I need to buy me a new one. But anyway, guys, what do you think about a tool like this? I think this is a good one to have. And well, I say prep tools, because you need tools and you need to take care of your drills as well. Keep them sharp to prevent accidents as well. If you have a dull drill, you can hurt yourself because the drill will not bite into the wood or into the metal or the concrete. So I think everyone should have a drill grinding attachment. So guys, let me know what you think about a tool like this. Let me know in the comment section. And that's all for today's video, guys. I will see you in the next one. Thank you guys for stopping by. I appreciate it. And don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment if you're new to my channel. That's all for today, guys. Take care, stay safe, be part of the solution, not the problem. ShadowScoutSwede out.